Want to start playing the Heartopia mobile game, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Heartopia. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Heartopia, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Heartopia in the search bar. Tap Heartopia when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. This app is about 4 GB, so it may take a little longer than others. Once installed, tap Open to start playing Heartopia. That's all it takes to download Heartopia. Want to try another cozy mobile game? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.